Quick question. If nothing changes, do you want your finances to look exactly the same 6 months from now? Good, let's fix that. If
You don't need a six-figure salary to fix your finances. You don't need to win the lottery. And you definitely don't need a rich uncle. What you need is 6 months and a system that actually works. This is a month-by-month blueprint that takes you from paycheck to paycheck stress to real financial control. I spend way too much time thinking about money, human behavior, and why some people seem calm about finances while others are constantly stressed about their bank balance. If you've ever wanted to take control of your money instead of just hoping things improve, hit subscribe. And if this video helps you see money differently, tap the like button. It tells the algorithm this was worth your time. WHY 6 months matters. 6 months is the sweet spot. It's long enough to create a real change, but short enough that you won't quit halfway through. Most people fail financially because they try to change everything at once. They get overwhelmed, they burn out, they give up. This system does the opposite. One focus per month. Each month builds on the last. By month 6, your money runs on autopilot, while everyone else is still reacting to emergencies. Month 1, face the numbers. Psychologists call this the ostrich effect. It's when we avoid information that makes us uncomfortable. Not checking your bank account, ignoring credit card statements, pretending things will work themselves out. Avoidance doesn't reduce stress, it creates background anxiety. But the moment you face the numbers, something shifts. Clarity replaces panic. Your job in month 1, calculate your core 4. Net income, your real take-home pay. Fundamental expenses, rent, bills, groceries, transport, future money, savings or investments, fund money, what's left for life. Track everything for 30 days. No judgment, just data. You might hate what you see. That's fine. You can't fix what you refuse to measure.
Month to save 1 month of expenses, your goal. Save 1 full month of fundamental expenses. This single step puts you ahead of most people. Why? Because without a buffer, every surprise becomes debt. Car repair, credit card, medical bill, interest, broken laptop, financial panic. Saving doesn't feel good at first because your brain hates delayed rewards. So reframe it. You're not losing money. You're buying freedom. Go aggressive for 1 month. Cancel unused subscriptions. Eat at home. Pause non-essential spending. Temporary discomfort. Permanent stability.
If you stop here, you'll feel safer, but you won't build momentum. This is where most people stall. Let's keep going. 6
Month
months.
3, kill bad debt plus start. Emergency fund. Not all debt is equal. Low interest debt is annoying. High interest debt is financial quicksand. List your debts by interest rate. Anything above 8% gets attacked first. Once high interest debt is gone, start building a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Stable income. Aim for 3 months. Unpredictable income. Go for 6 months. This is where survival mode ends. You stop reacting. You start choosing. Month 4. Invest while finishing safety. You don't need to be rich to invest. You need to be consistent. Step 1. Get employer match free money. Step 2. Open a tax advantaged account, Roth IRA, ISA. Step 3. Invest in broad market funds. No stock picking. No daily chart watching. Just participation. Start with a split. 70% emergency fund, 30% investing, then 50/50ths. Then full wealth building, security and growth together. Month 5, increase your income. Every job should give you earning. If you're getting neither, you're stuck. Changing jobs is the fastest income boost. Side income accelerates everything. Even $300 extra per month compounds massively if you don't inflate your lifestyle. More income plus same expenses equals momentum. Month 6, automate everything. Willpower is unreliable. Automation is unstoppable. Set up auto bill payments, auto savings, auto investing. Pay yourself first. What's left is guilt-free spending. No decisions, no stress, no I'll do it later. Your system runs even when life gets busy.
6 months from now, you'll be in one of 2 places. Same stress, same panic. Same hope that things magically improve. Or a buffer. No bad debt, automated investing, and options. Same 6 months, completely different life. This isn't about motivation, it's about structure. 6 months of boring, focused work creates years of financial breathing room. That breathing room? That's freedom. Now go build your 6-month system. Your future self is already grateful you started.